Have you ever wanted to be a Disney character? Well, let me tell you something. It's not as hard as you think.
That dream is now about to become a reality. It also isn't really that difficult to do either. Let's dive in. I'm gonna just jump right here into Midjourney. First thing I did, I uploaded this photo right here. I want to copy the link to that photo. So now I'm gonna come back down here and I am going to do Imagine. That is just the regular prompt for Midjourney. And then I'm going to paste the JPEG that I got right here into the prompt. And then basically I'm going to just go from there. I have a prompt already I wanted to use, so I'm going to just post it right here. You're a man in the late 30s with a beard, wavy hair, and squinty eyes that wears glasses. Soft lighting in an office with a bookshelf and plants behind him. I did the aspect ratio. Perfect. So I'm going to just do aspect ratio 16:9. Great. I want it to be a man in his late 30s with a beard, wavy hair, squinty glasses, and soft lighting, bookshelf, in the style of Pixar. I'm going to wait that. I'm going to put that at the beginning. In the style of Pixar, Disney, man in his late. Perfect. So let's just see what it comes up with. Like, again, remarkable how easy this is. So now we're just waiting. It's going to give me a bunch of different ideas. And I've done this before, but I'm doing it again here with you. Okay? Just to see what it comes up with. Ooh. Kind of interesting. Let's see. It does look a lot like me in that photo. I like this. I like this. This guy looks a lot skinnier than I do. I'm kind of digging one. I'm kind of digging this one right here. So just, scaled that. That's me. I'm a Pixar character. Perfect. Simple enough. You can go through this as much as you want, truthfully. And you'll be able to get the exact one you want. So what I'm going to do, ultimately, is I am going to save this image. And I am going to call it Ben Disney character. I'm going to save that on my desktop. Bam. So now I have that character. I'm going to come over here. First thing I need to do is I need to download the audio that I recorded. So usually I record audio on my voice memos on my iPhone. And it's really easy. Then I just send it to myself. So now that I have my picture and my image, I've already downloaded my audio that I'm going to want my image to say. So again, it's really simple. I use a program called DID. You go to studio.d-id.com. Once you're on that site, it's going to look a little bit or exactly like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a video. I'm going to add an image. So I am going to go to Disney. I am going to go to the desktop. So perfect. I'm going to go grab my photo. The photo that we just took. Great. I'm going to upload my own audio. I just downloaded it. So that's my audio file. Perfect. You can also record your own voice here in the platform, but it's as simple as that. I brought my video in, I brought my audio there. Now I am going to generate video. It says credits. I have 16 left. I'm going to use one, so I'm just going to generate. And again, I could spend a lot more time here and making it a lot better. I could find, I could generate 200 images if I wanted to make sure it's what I wanted. But ultimately,
Have you ever wanted to be a Disney character? Well, let me tell you something. It's not as hard as you think.
but that's pretty cool for the amount of time I did spend on this. That's pretty cool, right? So now you know what to do. You need to upload a picture to Midjourney. You need to take that picture, copy the link, put it in, describe the picture you want it to represent. If it's Pixar, if it's anything that you want, you're going to take that final picture, you're going to upscale it. You're going to then take that upscaled image into DID with a voice recording of your own, add a new photo, add your audio, then bring the two together, and then you're going to generate what I just generated. Simple as that. Please, if you want to see more, like this video, subscribe to my channel, do all the stuff, comment, send me yours. I want to see it all. What can I teach you next? Looking forward to it.